I wanted to take a quick moment and show users how to delist and relist specifically with Poshmark from your List Perfectly catalog. So there's been some talk about this lately. Super fast and super easy feature that List Perfectly provides. This is how I do mine. I go to my List Perfectly catalog. So we're going to talk about Poshmark. So I choose Poshmark and I choose Not Sold. This brings up my active Poshmark listings. I then sort by last updated, click it again, and it'll bring me to my oldest. You can see these are from September 2020, created May 2020. Business and Pro Plan users, you can do this in bulk. This is what we're talking about when we say super fast delist and relist. You're going to start selecting and select, I don't know, say 20 every morning. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to choose 2. You're going to choose yours, push stop. Select the marketplace you want to delist from. So for this instance, we're doing Poshmark and End Listing, and we're going to confirm that. Of course, List Perfectly goes through and it's processing. It's going to open up all of the windows in a new tab for every item that you've ended. This is for you to verify that it actually did get ended, so you know you're not duplicating your process. Right now, mine is taking a very long time. I have a house full of people that are using the internet and I'm recording. So again, you saw I only chose 2, so it opened up 2 tabs. I'm verifying that it took it off. Do not close, do not push anything on this screen. As you can see, this is the same screen that we used to delist the items. Those 2 items that I selected to delist, those are still selected. So what we want to do is we now want to select Poshmark again, and we want, instead of end listings like we just did, we want to copy them. So the same 20 or whatever listings that you just ended, you want to then push them right back to the site. This is going to ensure that your listings are fresh, that they show up in the just in category of Poshmark. You're getting constant you're constantly refreshing your Poshmark closet every day by doing this. And so we'll just go through and just say that, okay, yeah, we got everything, right? And say that we push those live. There's no reason to go back and have to erase your Poshmark item number in your catalog. List Perfectly takes care of that for you. So by ending and relisting within your List Perfectly catalog, you are essentially creating brand new listings on the Poshmark site. So that's how I do the delist relist feature.